Greetings and welcome, dear friends. Thank you all who have joined in on this platform. Here you'll discover uncomplicated and delightful easy recipes crafted from common ingredients. Allow me to express my fondness for this effortless homemade apple crumble, featuring a delectable, caramelized apple filling and a crumbly topping. This uncomplicated and comforting dessert undeniably enhances the experience by serving it with preferred toppings or a scoop of vanilla ice cream, creating a lasting and straightforward dessert. Let's not delay any further and dive right in. Begin by cutting 2 apples into cubes in a medium-sized bowl and set them aside. In a small mixing bowl, combine 4 to 5 teaspoons of cinnamon powder with sugar and add the mixture to the diced apples. Incorporate 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, squeeze in approximately 5 milliliters of lemon juice, and introduce dry mixed fruits. Ensure thorough mixing. Spread the prepared apple mixture evenly into an 8-inch baking pan. In a separate bowl, whisk 100 grams of butter. Add 20 grams of the cinnamon and sugar mixture, followed by 150 grams of flour. 2 tablespoons of oats. 30 grams of almond powder. Few black raisins. Mix the ingredients thoroughly. Sprinkle the crumb topping over the apples, covering them completely. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for 30 to 35 minutes or until the topping achieves a golden brown color. Melt sugar to prepare a hard caramel for decorative purposes. Transfer the baked apple crumble into a dessert bowl, top it with whipped cream or according to your preference. Optionally, crown it with a scoop of delectable sweet vanilla ice cream. The dessert can be stored in a covered container for up to 4 days. Thank you, dear friends, for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this delightful recipe as much as I enjoyed sharing it with you. Your support means the world to me. If you relished this culinary journey, don't forget to show some love by liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. Your support fuels my passion, and I truly appreciate each one of you. I'll be back shortly with another delectable recipe to tantalize your taste buds. Until then, take care and stay safe. Happy baking!